Hi there everybody, this is Andy from Skilz4umedia and this is video number 5 of our Create the Classic Arcade Game Pong using HTML, JavaScript and CSS. Hopefully you've enjoyed the last 4 videos, but if you could please subscribe to the channel after watching this video, it really helps us out. Thank you. Why hello everybody and welcome back, and this is video tutorial number 5. Thank you for carrying on and watching the recreation of the classic Pong game from the 1980s. So far we've got our bats on the screen, we've also got a ball that moves across screen, and we were able to move the bat up and down using keystrokes, which was covered in the last video. So this video we're going to be talking about how to do collision detection within the actual game, and hopefully the ball will react to that collision detection. So first of all, we're going to go to our JavaScript file and we're going to create a function called, quite literally, collision detection. And I'm going to have 2 values. I need the object that's going to be hit and the object that's going to be hitting. So I'm going to call one bat and the other one's going to be ball. So from here, so we've got the brackets now within here, we need a condition. So from here, if, this is going to be the if statement. So if bat x is less than ball dot x plus ball width, and so that's how you do and. So we need 4 conditions here. And if bat x is plus bat width plus bat width is greater than ball x, and now we have to deal with the y-axis. Ball y is less than bat dot y plus bat dot height, and the last condition is if ball dot y plus ball dot height is I'm just going through the coding here, and ball y bat. Okay, so I'm just ball height is greater than bat dot y. I think I've got to redo that a little bit. Sometimes when you're actually focusing on 2 things at the same time, so I'm just going to rewrite that last bit. So let's do the bat first. The bat is going to be bat y plus bat height is greater than ball dot y, and if bat dot y is less than ball dot y plus, we're nearly there. I think I've got it. Here we go. Okay, so that's my condition. So what we're saying here, if ball x, or the x of ball, if x bat is less than the ball's x plus the ball's width, and if the bat's x plus the bat's width is greater than the ball's x, and then we got the bat's y plus the bat's height is greater than the ball's y, and then if bat y is less than the ball y plus ball height. Sounds good. Return true. else false. Okay, so we're saying if that condition is met, then return true. Else, return false and carry on. Okay, I think this works. Let's see if this works. Okay, so what I'm going to do is going to copy that. So we need to put this in the update function. So through the whole of the game loop, it's checking for collision. If collision detection player 1. Collision detection, so I'm going to put in there player 1. And also the game ball. So those are the values I'm passing it into the function. If that's true. Or. Oh, I like this. It's going well. It's going well. Okay, or. And I want to do the same thing with the robots player. So I'm going to copy that, place it in there. Just going to replace that player 1. So it's passing function. It's going to be checking both bats. I'm just going to put alert, so we just want to test it. We're just going to test it out. Test. Yes, look at that. See, that kind of like worked. Okay, so let me just go back. Okay, so that actually works. So what we want to do here is if that happens, we need to, the ball needs to do something. Okay, so what I'm going to do is from here, so we're going to go here, ball, dot draw. So from here, we're going to go from here, ball, dot, now is it velocity? Let's have a look. This VX, I'm going to make this a little bit more interesting, so we're going to go this V out VY as well. So the ball's going to go all over the place. So this V up VY. Okay. Equals this VY times by minus 1. Okay. So hopefully when we actually, it hits that detection, what I need to do is, what I've noticed is that if it hits, what I need to do, that if it hits the top of the board, it needs to rebound off. So what I'm going to do is in this update, if this y is less than 0, then this Vy equals this Vy times by minus 1. So what it's going to do is going to reverse, or let's put an function in there, or this y is greater than canvas height minus this height, reverse. Right, let's see if that works. Oh, look at that. Look at that. We're rocking and rolling. Although, I want to see if it actually comes off the screen. Oh, look. There you go. There's a score. It would get the score there as well. Okay, so let's just change that a little bit. Let's make that a little bit more interesting. That I'm just just messing around with that value. You can do some really weird things. Okay, so from there, okay, so now we want to have the bat. I'm going to have the robot player. Y. So what I'm going to do is the robot player. Let's just tidy this coding up a little bit. I'm just going to write a comment. End of collision detection function. Okay. So let's get the robot player. So in the update function, what I'm going to do is get the robot player moving with the ball. Robot player Y equals game ball equals game ball dot Y minus player height divided by 2. Let's see if this works. That's what I love about these things. It's good to experiment. Look at that, look at that. Obviously there's something really weird going on with the game ball there. So obviously I've done something wrong there. But I'm sure we can actually fix it. So let's go and have a look at the coding down the bottom here, where I've actually put in the that's where it was. -1. -1. There we go. There you go. Look at that. Pong is working. Oh. 80s nostalgia. 80s nostalgia. There you go. Okay, so I think that's the end of tutorial number 5. I hope you enjoyed something and you actually learned something from that. So we're going to move on to video number 6. And make sure you click that subscribe button. Thank you very much for watching the video. I hope you're learning something going through these videos. And I shall catch you on the next one. See you later, guys.